Good morning, good night, good morning, good evening. So these are the flowers that bees are hunting so that they can get the honey. Yeah, I think you'll be able to hear some. The
You're right.
So guys, this is the thing that they're making the rope. When you see my previous video when I went to a market in Awendo, you are able to see the ropes that good morning, good night, good morning, good evening. It depends where you are. So hello guys, my beautiful fans, and I'm in Kenya, in Africa, in Kisegi, where you can able to see Tanzania on other side. It's a beautiful place. So keep tuned, subscribe, like. You're gonna like it. Yes. So yeah, today I've hired someone motorbike, and so to give me wakizi. I'm able to see. I'm in my friend's place. We have come to survey a land. So keep tuned, subscribe, comment, share. Today I've got somebody to help me to hold the camera, and here we want to go for a. I came to visit my friend called Mbalo Fan. Make sure to subscribe to his channel Mbalo Fan. Make sure to subscribe the Spotlight with Mhital. Make sure to subscribe the Marvin Smith Kenya. So guys, let's go. We came here, and if you can realize when through this my journey, uh, I got I when I go through this my journey, when you go through this my journey, you will get some rocky places like this place in Mhital. This place is called
Kisegi.
Kisegi. Yes, Kisegi. You can able to see the way this place is so rocky. Are you seeing it? The way this place is beautiful, and I'm hearing the voice of bees. I think they're hunting because they show them kind of flowers that are here. I think this place is nice. Wow, just imagine that you live in a certain place. It's very nice, guys. Keep tuned, subscribe, like. We are walking and seeing the area of my friend, the village, not the area, the village. My friend, the way it's nice. Show them this flower. Come near and see. So these are the flowers that bees are hunting so that they can get the honey. Yeah, I think you'll be able to hear some the sound of bees. Yeah, but I'm not seeing them. I'm trying to look even one so that I can capture for you, and you can able to see. Yeah, hey, we are going to go slowly. Hey, my cameraman, go slowly. What's wrong? Let's take it patiently. Relax. So, guys, this is the place. Very nice, and it's a rocky place. Yeah. So, guys, this journey is sweet, very sweet. So, yeah. Here. My cameraman, come. I want to show them. Today, we didn't able to come and do some vlogging on that hill. Are you showing them? Don't zoom. That's. I will take a picture and place it. So I'm planning to come and do some vlog through that hill. it's a good hill for a vlog, and also hike vlogging. So guys, you can able to see the way this village is very nice. I'm able to see such cows. See the way that the hills are so nice. You see the way this village is nice. You can able to see children playing. Are you seeing this place? Children play. There's the cows. Are you seeing the way the cow is so good? Right? And I think this area is fertile. You can able to see such a soil is neat. Oh, my cameraman, you can play. Yeah, now you can see the hill. I'm planning to come back and do some vlog there. So, guys, let's continue with the go daddy journey. So yeah, they have a big land, big one. You can able to see. So guys, you can able to hear the sound of bees. Yeah, as if a wind wave, but it is a bees. So guys, show them. This place is very nice. This is cassava. Huh? This is cassava, yes. So in town, there's cassava. So there's a lot of bees here. I'm even afraid. My life is in danger, guys. Hey, everywhere. Bees. Wow. What a nice land, guys. Guys, just have a look. Guys, this place is very nice. Wow. Kisegi has a land, a big land, big land. So, in previous, this was the grass that were used when our great grandfather were using for roofing. I'll able to look for one roofing grass so that you can able to see. So these are the grass that will be able to use. So my cameraman, you can able to give them the view of, yeah, those are the grasses that are being used on rooftop. So let's go. The Gordari, the place to be. This place is so beautiful. Very beautiful. There's a lot of bees, guys. So guys, we are in car. Yeah. So guys, thank you. Keep tuned, like, subscribe, comment. The place to be, the Gordari. Till next time. Ciao. Village, guys. Yeah. So show them the way this land it is. Yeah. My cameraman. What is this?
Sisal.
This one is a sisal. This that they use when making a rope.
Exactly.
Am I wrong?
You're right.
So guys, this is the thing that they're making the rope. When you see my previous video when I went to a market in Awendo, you are able to see the ropes that was spreaded. The rope. These are the rope that help to tie a cow. Yeah, and a rope that can help you to tie something. Yeah. So that's all. You made for rope. I think these people are doing some charcoal business. You can able to see they burned these trees of guava. You can able to see this is the tree of the guava. They turn it to a charcoal. Hey, there's a lot of sisal. I think these sisal are for demarcations of land, because this land is big and it's big, it's really big. Because we are here, you can able to see the guava plantation. When you come this side, you have this flower. This flower.
Pinja.
Yes.
Oranye pinja.
So guys, you can able to see the way this land.
Karibu Tanzania ba. Kwani tushafika?
Let's go. Don't touch.
Tushafika Daba.
You are in Tanzania?
Wanatuambia Safaricom wanasema ati you are roaming on Halotel Tanzania.
So guys, we are near to Tanzania. I doesn't have a good camera. I could have showcased you the booster that is border of Kenya and Tanzania in Kisegi Village. It's so bush. Very bush. The virgin land of Kisegi. So guys, I want to take you to a certain small river here. But we cut